Hi. It is Saturday. Had a shower. Well, I had a sauna, had a swim, had a sauna, had a shower. Feeling very fresh, and now I'm cooking nachos. Watching Below Deck, of course. Some mince with seasoning, and then put some cheese on the corn chips. So I've got some baby avocados. I'm gonna put some tomatoes, lime, coriander, some red onion. I prefer white onion sometimes, but use that today. Jalapenos, some salsa, and sour cream. They were quite small.
Anything about this? No. Look, I don't want her to throw it away.
Olive oil. Always makes it tasty. This is done cheese mince with seasoning. I'm gonna pop the avocado, sour cream, some salsa, and some jalapenos. That is absolutely gorgeous. Test.
I'm more sensitive because dwarf oranges.
Lemon tree, a banana tree, mulberry, and another lemon tree. I'm gonna plant them along there. So cute. Okay, this is the before of this pot. I was tempted to do like a little herb garden in this pot, but I think I'm gonna do the banana tree here. One lemon here, and one lemon here. Okay, here's our little lemon tree over here. Still need to do all the weeding around the side, but this is its cute little spot. We've filled it with citrus soil, and this is lemon tree number 2. So you can see it already has little lemons on it. So we'll clean up around it. So cute. They're gonna grow into big boys. And here's a little banana guy. So we've just planted him in here. Apparently he grows 2 meters tall. So I think we'll see how this one goes. This is just a test. Good morning. It's 5:30. We have a photo shoot. We are off to a photo shoot. Really exciting one. Be on the digital cover of Women's Health. Such a cool opportunity. I did not sleep last night, of course, but you know when you have something on early the next morning, you don't sleep the whole night because you're waiting for your alarm. That was me. I'll quickly stop and get a coffee though. And then we're gonna get our hair and makeup done. I think it's pretty natural though. And then we're shooting at Clovelly, which is a humiliation ritual for me because I'm not a model and I don't want people looking at me. That's why I'm glad it's really early this morning because R.I.P. And that's the little Clovelly beach that we're shooting. Pretty.
Definitely, she had she was so upset because I planned it. Yeah, I'm so new with my coffee order.
Oh, hottie. Okay. That's a wrap. They're a really good team to work with. The cover's going to come out next week, so by the time you guys see this, because I usually take a couple of weeks to film a vlog or a week, it'll probably be live. So I will likely post it on my Instagram. Good morning! What did we get up to? I had another shoot for Bondi Sands. Isn't coming out to the end of the year, so I didn't even bother bringing you guys along to that. And just another work week. We've got a new collection launching, which we shot on Alex Davidson. And gosh, she's just the most divine human. So we're doing a little event at Rosebud Club to celebrate that collection. It's like a little bit sporty. It's our basics. Obviously, our transitional collections are always basics mixed with some sporty like polos and jumpers, introduction back into jumpers. So the Rosebud Club has the tennis courts, so we just thought that kind of worked. So we've kind of redone the office a little bit. We still need to work on it because it looks like a mess, but we've got more desks, we've got new chairs coming, we've got a little bit of new furniture. We're just trying to restructure it so we all fit I love our beautiful office, but it is getting a little bit squishy as the team's growing. And then this weekend just doing absolutely nothing. I was away up the coast over the weekend, which was really nice to just reset. I didn't really film a thing. Yeah, can't lie, it is beautiful looking at that every morning. This is my current little brekkie combo. Boiling eggs, I've been putting it in a bowl, mixing it with some cottage cheese, just kind of like mixing it up to make something like kind of creamy, scrambly. Avo in the bottom with Vegemite and rockets. Bothered to mesh them together, so I'm just gonna do a layer of cottage cheese first. Ow! I ate half my bread in the car. LOL. Beautiful. 2 eggs. That is my brekkie. It looks so gourmet. It's now 5 p.m. On my way to skin needling. I thought I would bring you guys to skin needling since I don't think that I ever have. I've spoken about it on my TikTok and Instagram, but I basically do skin needling once a month, and that is the #1 treatment. Skin needling at the skin bar specifically, that I find helps my skin. Younger, tighter skin. It actually reduces blemishes for me. I get like quite a lot of just like small little blemishes around my chin, especially in like hormonal moments. It digs that up and gets rid of that. It almost extracts it, but kind of just like pushes it out and makes it heal itself. And yeah, just really tightens my skin and makes the texture super smooth. I also get RF on my neck and my chest. I used to have a lot of sun damage on my chest from just not wearing sunscreen when I was younger, and I truly think it's reversed from obviously now wearing SPF religiously for the last however many years. I don't put my chest in the sun, but the RF is amazing at like sort of neck tightening and sun damaged skin. So that is what I do at the skin bar. So we're gonna go see Sammy now. In threshold, I find it sometimes painful, other times not. Depends how deep and how hard she goes. She kind of looks at my skin. Sometimes she goes pretty hard, but most of the time you can tolerate it. I don't want her to go deep because you want the needles to really penetrate the skin, to really tighten it up and heal it. So that's kind of the purpose and the point. I kind of like beauty is pain for me. So here it is. I go to the skin bar double bay. Started by putting like a serum on the skin. Is it a
hyaluronic and B3?
And I find it really helps with my scarring as well. This part stings, but is so worth it. What is it?
It's the Uber so it's vitamin A based, but it's also got salicylic, lactic, mandelic acid in it, so all the exfoliating components. And then you've got your B3s, your hyaluronics, vitamin C's, so everything that's going straight to where we want it to go.
That is done, so you can see how red I am. I stay awake for a couple of hours. I've never done it during the day, so I don't know. I kind of just sleep it off and then I wake up in the morning and the redness is gone, but then it does a day of quite dry skin. So it'll be really tight tomorrow. And then it'll start shedding a little bit, so it peels a little bit. You start getting like a little bit of flaky skin. Wow, I really am red. You can tell how red I am because the color of my lips is the same color as my face. I exfoliate up to like day 4, and then day 5 it's just beautiful baby skin. Okay, it's event day. We are launching our Hanson collection. We're gonna go to Rose Petty Club, or we're gonna go to Noddy's for a little sit down lunch, and I thought I'd show you my outfit before we go. I just did my makeup. I was going to film with you guys, but I have to say, as soon as I started, because I had needling yesterday, it just did not stick to my skin. So I was in panic mode and filming was just a bit too much for me. That skin needling, you should probably prep for a little bit of downtime. I kind of didn't take that into consideration. And honestly, sometimes, it probably sounds bad, sometimes I find the day after my skin is like, it looks visibly so clear and glowy. It's just when you come up close, there's like a lot of dry patches from where it's starting to peel. Show you my outfit. Oh, I'm out of breath. Okay. This This is probably one of my fave new dresses from the collection. Well, I think it's maybe the only dress. But it's grey and it's inspired by our sienna, so it's got that same gorgeous shape, like that almost leotard. Why is it so dark? Leotard shape. I'll show you better in the bathroom. And then we've got, it's middies. We don't often do middies. Can I see here? Very 90s, very pretty, very classic, very classy. And wear. What are you wearing? Do you know what it's called? Did you study the collection?
But like
you actually will get put on the spot by Kaylee. She'll pull you aside and say, what are you wearing today?
it is the
I think it's the Bria.
Bree-knit. Yes,
Bree-knit.
the Bree-knit.
Got two new Blair inspired tops. This one's like a beautiful yellow with a steel stripe through it, and it's a bit of a thicker knit and goes in at the waist. And then we've got the it's more of a jersey style, which is brown and chocolate white. So this is our little setup. We've got a photo of everyone with our branding obviously, and then we've got these beautiful sort of vine. Thank you. Perfect arrival drink. It's so hot. Matchy matchy. I'm obsessed.
And I like never wear capris. Like I would arguably say that I don't like capris.
Yeah, and do you like this? Yay! So they passed the test. They actually look phenomenal.
Oh, me. Oh, wait, are you filming?
I'm filming.
Hi.
Jill. And
Oh my god, I know. I've got 2 I've done. I've got like 7 in wait.
We got the girl of the moment. Right? Look at the leftovers. We got a fun little delivery from, what's it called? What's it? 2 sandwiches.
2 slices.
2 slices. It's launching in Bondi. Look at these sandwiches. So I think we've got prosciutto, tomato, mozzarella. I'm just guessing. I don't actually know.
Yum. Yeah. What are you gonna go?
Oh, I don't know. I like that turkey looking one. I think I'm gonna go this one. Beautiful.
Mmm.
Wow, should I try one more?
Yeah. Try one more.
What do you reckon?
Like a yeah. Nice.
Yeah, so I think that's like a turkey. Yeah, like turkey, mayo, lettuce. Looks really simple.
Pinky up. Pinky up.
That's really fresh and simple.
Oh yum.
This is my favorite part when I do a taste test and everyone in the office has to wait. Everyone's like, does it look good?
Salivating.
So does it look good?
Give me a flavor breakdown.
Turkey, mayo, lettuce.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's good.